Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky. Today I am going to show you how to install Deepseek version 3.2 locally on your system. So for that, first is to install Ollama, and we are going to use Ollama to install Deepseek. So first go to your favorite browser and type over here Ollama download. Just go to the official site of Ollama. This link I am going to provide right on our video description. Depending upon what operating system you are using, macOS, Linux or Windows, you have to proceed with that. Just click on this download button for Windows and it's going to immediately start downloading our Ollama. I have already downloaded it, that's why I'm going to cancel this. This is the setup, just click on that setup. You can minimize your browser. Here is our Ollama installation wizard. Just simply click on install. That's going to immediately start installing Ollama. So it's going to take some time, let's wait for a couple of minutes over here. And our Ollama is rightly installed and it has rightly launched as well. So this is the interface of our Ollama. You can maximize this. When you click on this drop down, you can see all these different models it shows. So these are all the models that are available on cloud, and these are all the models that you can download it locally on your system. So it has a download button beside that. So these are all what you can install and download it locally on your system, and you can use your system for running all these models through Ollama, of course. So you're going to download latest version of Deepseek. So go to your browser again and go to models and search over here Deepseek. So latest version of Deepseek is version 3.2. So click on that. So this is what we are going to download. So click on the copy icon to copy that CLI command and go to search and open our command prompt. And within command prompt, just right click and paste and hit enter. So that's going to run this Ollama run Deepseek version 3.2 cloud model. You can see that it is rightly done, but it is telling that we need to sign in Ollama to run these cloud models, which is totally fine, which is what we are going to do now. You can close this, you can minimize this browser, and you can click on the sidebar icon and go to settings. And click on sign in to connect our Ollama and sign in basically. So we'll connect with Google. And it is rightly done. Device connected successfully. So it's rightly connected. Now you go to new chat and switch to Deepseek version 3.2 cloud. Click on that. And now here you type anything like what is Java programming or anything you want. You'll be able to use Deepseek version 3.2 cloud version on Ollama. So you can see it has rightly started giving a proper response. Right. On my next video, I'm going to show you how you can download Deepseek locally on your systems. So that time I'm going to show you this Deepseek R1 model. So this is what we are going to download and will show you right on my next video. Please do subscribe our channel Geeky and also join our community. That's going to really motivate me to make more this similar kind of videos. And also don't forget to watch my other artificial intelligence videos, where I have showed you using this Google Anti-Gravity or Cloud Code or Commit Browser or Queen 3. Everything I have showed you. So do check all these different videos. I'm sure you are going to love them. So that is basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.